Plastics, viable projects, car bumpers, plastics in car, big business, big opportunity. Car bumpers manufacturing, multi-crore plastic molding business. Do you know which plastic part gives your car its style and safety? Front and rear bumper covers. Made by injection molding process. Material polypropylene PP or filled PP. Every car needs two pieces. Global demand. A massive 8.6 to 10 million bumpers per year. And since they are painted Class A parts, they must look flawless. That is why this is a big tier 1 supplier domain. Tough to enter but highly profitable. So next time you see a shiny bumper, remember it's not just style, it's high-tech plastics at work. Thank you. Write to us.